Hello everyone, my name is Jessica VASU and I'm from Polytechnic Nilai Negeri Sembilan. My matrix number is 23DBT 20F 2019. I'm here today for DNA extraction at home using a fruit for my molecular biology subject. Okay, these are the ingredients that we need for our DNA extraction today. First will be a fruit of our choice. I choose banana, and you guys can choose strawberry, blueberry, or any other fruit else. Secondly, we need a lysis buffer. This lysis buffer was made at home using water, salt, table salt, and dish soap. Thirdly, we need isopropyl. I have isopropyl alcohol here, which is in ice, so that the temperature is maintained at ice cold. Then we need a clear cup to strain the liquid. Fourth, we need a paper towel or a coffee strainer, coffee filter. I chose paper towel because I don't have coffee filter here. Then we need a measuring tool to measure all the buffer and isopropyl alcohol. Then we need a plastic. It would be more convenient if you guys use Ziploc bag, but I don't have Ziploc bag, so I'm going to use a plastic bag instead. Then we need scissors to cut the plastic bag afterwards. Okay, firstly we are going to peel the banana and break it down to smaller pieces and put it into our plastic bag and mash it up. So in this process we are going to make sure that there are no lumps in the banana after mashed, and we are going to make sure that the banana that were mashed is in soupy form. So now I'm going to put this into this plastic bag here. Okay. And now we are going to mash this out. Mash this so that there's no lump and it becomes into soupy form. Okay, now look at this. You see, this potato becomes soupy like this, so it moves around and there's no visible lumps or clumps in this. And now we are going to add our lysis buffer into our mashed banana for about 10 milliliter, which is equals to 2 tablespoons. So now we are going to open this and add 2 teaspoons of lysis buffer. This is equal to 10 milliliter, and now we are going to close this again without any air in it, and we are going to slowly mix them together. And in this procedure we are going to make sure that we do this very slowly to avoid the forming of bubbles and foams in this. Okay, so now the mashed banana and the lysis buffer is mixed properly. We are going to strain the liquid from this mashed banana into our clear cup. So I've set up this cup with a paper towel in it, so the paper towel will strain out the liquid from this mashed banana, and I've secured it with a rubber band, so this paper towel won't move around or fly away. So we're going to clean this area and cut. And now we're going to put this into our glass here. So here. Now we are going to wait for 5 to 10 minutes so the liquid will strain out to the cup below. This is the result after waiting for a few minutes. You can see we have strained pretty much of liquid here. Okay, now we are going to add our final material, which is isopropyl alcohol, 5 ml into here. So now we are going to take this and add 5 ml. I've washed this tool while we were waiting, so now I'm going to add 5 ml, which is equal to 1 teaspoon into this cup. So now we are going to wait and see what happens. Okay, now it has been a couple of minutes after adding the isopropyl. As you can see, there is a oogy and bubbly layer formed inside the extraction. So from the side, this is how it looks like. If you see it clearly, there is a separation of the the banana and the isopropyl. After we added, there's a clear layer formed, and inside there is a bubbly layer formed. Now I'm going to try to scoop out the bubbly layer and see what we got. So I'm using a toothpick. So yes. As you can see, this is the DNA extraction. This is the DNA of banana. This is how it looks like. So overall, this experiment was a success, and thanks for watching, guys.